Welcome to BI Builds with BINX. Today we're building a LinkedIn dashboard. Let's go.
We're going to put our types in there, type, and we're going to use our values. Great. We're going to turn these off, and then we're going to put the data labels on, and we're going to update the style. We're going to put some funnel graphs on, where, and again, we're going to use a format painter, and then we're going to put a filter on to say we don't want to see any blanks. Update the title, and then we're going to add another visual, which is going to be our emojis. Get rid of that and add, and we're going to call this title emoji. There we go. And next we're going to create our value by subject, and then we'll make that a stacked bar chart, reset the data labels there, and then we're just going to update that to be subject. Okay. Then we're going to do post visuals, and what type of visual do we use? And we'll go another one, and this time it's going to be hashtags. Hashtags. We're going to make these a bit smaller because I don't want them so big. So do 75. There we go. Lovely. Put in a line graph. And we're going to put our values in. Visual type. Change the line colors. Engagement's going to be yellow and impression dark blue. Nice. And I love watching the change. Ready, set, go. Going over smooth lines. Now we're going to create a table, and we're going to put in the detail, the views, where are you? The impressions and the engagement. So we're going to choose the views and likes. Now let's add some conditional formatting, sort it by view, and then let's add a weekday one. Change that to day. Where is it? Where is it? Day. Change it. It's Saturday. And there we go.